Dear students, how are you? How are you, the students of class 9 of Kumula Modern High School? I am Amul Islam Titu, English teacher of Kumula Modern High School in the morning shift. Today we want to discuss transformation of sentence, assertive to imperative sentence. Assertive to imperative sentence. Class 9, subject English, second paper, date 17/4/2021. Transformation of sentence. Transformation of sentence, assertive to imperative sentence. Assertive to imperative sentence. Assertive to imperative sentence. Dear students, there are 5 kinds of sentence according to meaning. There are 5 kinds of sentence according to meaning. There are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, operative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Number one, what is it? Dear students, assertive sentence. Very good. Assertive sentence. What is the definition of assertive sentence? What is the definition of assertive sentence? Assertive sentence, which sentence express to descriptively about any matter, about any subject, on any topic. These are called assertive sentence. The cow has 4 legs. The national scenery of Bangladesh is very charming, very excellent. The pond has various kinds of fishes. These are assertive sentence. Next, number 1, dear students, what is it? Look at the placard. Dear students, look at the placard. Look at the placard, dear students. This is imperative sentence. Very good. This is imperative sentence. What is the definition of imperative sentence? What is the definition of imperative sentence? Imperative sentence, which sentence express to others, or order about which sentence express on order, request, advice. Such kind of sentences are imperative sentence. Which sentences are based on advice, order, request. These are called imperative sentence. We shall discuss on transformation of sentence, assertive to imperative sentence. What is the difference between transformation of sentence and conversion of sentence? Transformation of sentence means where you will change the sentence by structure, but there will not change meaning. There will be not change meaning. These are called transformation of sentence. Conversion of sentence. Conversion of sentence means where you will change the sentence formatively or structure, or by structure and by meaning. These are called conversion of sentence. Conversion of sentence. Conversion of sentence. Conversion of sentence. So, transformation of sentence, assertive to imperative sentence. Look at the board. Look at the board. Look at the rules. Number 1. Assertive subject যুক্ত assertive sentence के imperative करते हुए imperative sentence करते हुए imperative sentence करते हुए main verb plus মেইন ভার্ব প্লাস কল টু ভার্ব থেকে বাকি প্লাস মেইন ভার্ব প্লাস প্রদত্ত ভার্ব থেকে বাকি অংশ, ভার্ব থেকে বাকি অংশ, যেমন you open the door, you open the door. Yes students, what will be the imperative sentence of the sentence? Imperative sentence, open the door, open the door. You eat the apple, you eat the apple. Imperative sentence, eat the apple, eat the apple. Yes students, Kamal, go there. Imperative sentence, go there, go there. Next example, assertive sentence যদি নেগেটিভ হয়, assertive সেন্টেন্সটি যদি assertive sentence যদি নেগেটিভ হয়, তাহলে সেন্টেন্সটি ইম্পারেটিভ করতে হলে সেন্টেন্স কে ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স করতে হলে ডু নট প্লাস প্রদত্ত সেন্টেন্সের ভার্বের প্রদত্ত সেন্টেন্সের ভার্ব প্লাস ভার্ব থেকে বাকি অংশ, ভার্ব থেকে বাকি অংশ। You should not waste your time. You should not waste your time. What is the imperative sentence? What is the assertive sentence of the sentence? You should not waste your time. W-A-S-T-E. You should not waste your time. Dear students, look at the board. Dear students, look at the board and write the examples. Write the examples. You should not waste your time. Imperative sentence. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Waste your time. Don't waste your time. Dear students, don't waste your WST. Don't waste your time. Number 2. You don't disobey your teacher. Please, you don't disobey your teacher. E-A-C-H-E-R, teachers. Imperative sentence, don't disobey your teacher. Don't disobey your teachers. Dear students, look at the next rules. Dear students, look at the next rules. Assertive sentence সাবজেক্টটি যদি ফার্স্ট পারসন বা থার্ড পারসন হয়, হলে সেন্টেন্সটি ইম্পারেটিভ করতে হলে সেন্টেন্সটিকে ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স করতে হলে সেন্টেন্স করতে হলে let plus subjective objective from subjective objective form plus মূল ভাগ থেকে বাকি যেমন we play cricket. Yes, students, we play cricket. What is the imperative sentence of the sentence? Yes, students, look at the board, look at the example. We play cricket. Imperative sentence, let us play cricket. Let us play cricket. I go there. Let me go there. I objective is me. Let me go there. Yes, friends, he sings a song. Yes, friends, what is the imperative sentence? He sings a song. What is the imperative sentence? He sings a song. Let him sing a song. Difference. Assertive sentence T. Assertive sentence A. Sentence A. Assertive sentence T. যদি নেগেটিভ হয় এবং সাবজেক্টটি যদি ফার্স্ট পারসন ও থার্ড পারসন হয় তাহলে ইম্পারেটিভ হলে ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স দিতে হলে let us যেমন ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স দিলে let plus not subjective objective form plus not মূল ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম প্লাস বাকি অংশ। Example, we shouldn't disobey our teacher. Let us not disobey our teacher. We shouldn't waste our time. In imperative sentence, let us not waste our time. These are assertive to imperative sentence. These are rules of assertive to imperative sentence. Dear students, you will participate first online exam of 2021 on the 27th April 2021. So you will participate all exams by online, and you should to read regularly and you should to read attentively. We are not free from COVID-19 virus till now. This virus is very serious and very dangerous. So if you want to save from the COVID-19 virus, you should to use hand wash more and more, and you should not touch your mouth, nose and eye with hand. And if you go outside, you should to mask clearly. And that means you will use your mask by this system, and you will cover your nose, mouth heavily. So and you will try to stay at home always. Thank you everybody. See you next classes. Thank you.